Business automation is indispensable in today's corporate world. There is extensive use of information technology-based automation in all kinds of business processes. Saviynt's Technologies has realized this potential and focused its creative talents and technical energies to specialize in information technology-enabled business solutions. Saviynt has successfully implemented a number of such solutions where each solution addresses a unique client requirement. Some of them are Financial Portfolio Management System, an operations management solution for private wealth management advisors, enabling day-to-day portfolio management, tracking and intelligent business analytics and reports. Youth Hostels of India portal, an integrated online marketing solution featuring an intelligent back-end booking engine that automates the hostel booking process and improves the overall sales experience. Formoles.com, a community portal for golfers enabling social networking, online e-commerce and online golf stats management. USAFootball.com, a football portal enabling different sports clubs, administrative staff, teams, coaches and players to manage their day-to-day operations online. Global Wharton India Mentoring Network, a community portal enabling current and past Wharton students from India to seek professional mentoring from successful Wharton alumni from various industry segments. Machine Bazaar, an online auction platform providing an integrated marketing and sales solution for the manufacturing industry by enabling buyers and sellers to showcase and trade machine goods. Hawk Sporting Goods Portal, an integrated marketing and sales solution enabling online catalog display and e-selling of goods via a fully featured e-shop. UAE Point Travel Guide, a community portal for tourists traveling to the UAE, enabling them to share their experiences and information about tourist spots there. World Spa Residence, a community portal for residents of the World Spa Housing Society, enabling centralized information sharing, social networking, discussion forums, and online event management. Tunerific.com, a community portal for people interested in cartoons, enabling online social networking, exchange of ideas, and interesting information. Some solutions currently in progress are a community portal for professionals from financial services with provision for blogs, live stock feed, articles by top 500 industry honchos. An e-commerce platform for selling peripherals for a leading global printer and copier manufacturer, providing unique, personalized shopping experience, customer loyalty programs, and complete back-end logistics integration with resellers and distributors. A collaboration extranet platform for a loose congregation of design bureaus and freelancers who intend to work together as virtual teams, with a platform handling all communication and workflow between designers and clients. Saviynt has also built an online marketing presence for a number of clients: Noida Golf Course, BPTP, Multiple Sclerosis Society of India, Advanced Control Devices, opindex.com, goetran.com. Our work methodology is strongly focused around being a stakeholder in the client's success and results by playing the role of a business consultant, identifying possible potential areas for IT solutions, defining business goals and meeting them with technology-based solutions, building modular, scalable and extensible IT solutions, keeping in mind potential future IT requirements of the client, providing ongoing project management and engagement services while a solution is being built, and thereafter ongoing support and maintenance services. At Saviynt, there is a constant endeavor to define newer areas of potential services, utilizing perceptive foresight with cutting-edge technology. So, with Saviynt as a stakeholder in developing your technology-enabled business solutions, you not only get a glimpse into the future, but actually achieve it.